Hey there, welcome to the channel. My name's Shane, and today's video we're going to be working on this orange machine over here. This is a Kubota SVL 75-3, and it's got a broken light right there. We've got to get that fixed. I picked this up from Omni Rentals in South Alabama. If you're needing equipment rentals for them, and equipment rentals, go see them. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but they're really good folks. Yeah, we're going to take a look at replacing this light today. And it's kind of cold out here, so I'm going to pull it into the shop. I'm getting old, folks. All right, so to take this light off, I think is screw here. There's two screws here that I think keep it in, and there's two screws here. So let's take it off. Put the screws on top. I've got to get me a grapple for this thing and a stump bucket at some point. I used this to, I rented it once and used it to create the pad for that pole barn that you saw this thing parked under. I fell in love and I had to have it. All right, so the light is off. Okay, so this plate is apparently held on by those two screws right there. I'm not going to take it off right now. If you see this, dirty and nasty in there. All right, how does this come out? My clean shop floor is going to get dirty. I'm going to take that bottom plate off to get some weight off of it while I figure out how to unattach it, how to unclip it. These are all the same screws so far. There is a screw up here on the top, so there's three holding this plate on that I found. There we go. You dirty. Somebody has dumped some dirt on top of this thing before. We'll clean that out later. Okay, now we got some weight off of it. How does this work? There we go. God, I hate electrical connectors. All right, that's got a little nub on it right there. You got to press down right into my thumbnail. Gives you a closer view here. Dirt was in that plate. If you've dumped dirt on top of your skid steer before, you might want to clean out the light. This is the broken one. And here's the new one. This is part number right there. It's for a Kubota SVL 75-3. All right, so I've got it reconnected well. Got the base plate on, two screws there, one screw in the back right there. And then we're ready to reattach. I'm going to put it in. This plate goes on the outside on this side and on the inside on that side. That one started first, and then we'll work on the other two. tight. Okay. New lights installed. Let's test it out. Yep, it works. All right, this one's done. Lights replaced. Bear in mind, those of you that have this model skid steer with the newer light, the LED lights, there is a hole at the top if you've dumped dirt on the top. Apparently this one has had that undone in the past. You guys might want to make it a maintenance item to take the lights off and clean the dirt out. Might cause issues later on down the line. You saw how much was in mine. There's only about 640 some odd hours on this machine. But yeah, this one's done. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching.